Hello, Andrew at Schofield Motors here. Today we have the Ford Ranger 2.2 Limited. It's a 2017 manual vehicle. So we'll go around the vehicle and show you all the features. Hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please do get in contact. Coming around the front of the Ranger, we can immediately see it's got the Ford F-150 Raptor style grille with a double nudge bar and also a bonnet protector. So the Ranger in this blue colour is one of the most popular colours, if not the most popular. Also has black polished alloys. This Ranger also has, as we can see, a hardtop canopy. Has 4 Goodyear tyres all round, which are in very good condition. Coming down the passenger side, we can see it is a very good condition vehicle. Also has these lights which are built into the grille. So looking into the front of the cab, you can see it has full leather seats. So we have the touchscreen just there. Also has heated front seats, air conditioning, cruise control. And looking into the rear, again we can see the seating is in great condition. Pop round the rear, have a look in the passenger side. And again we can see it's all very good. And onto the front passenger seat. Looking into the rear of the canopy, you can see there's a plastic load liner. Helps make the vehicle more robust. You can see that's all in very good condition. Looking at the sides and the rear, again we can see it's in great condition. Has rear parking sensors. Also has a reverse camera. So with this vehicle it comes with a new 12 months MOT with no advisories, as all our vehicles do. We'll also include a full service. There's 2 keys with the vehicle. So if anyone would like any more information on terms of warranty, finance, part exchange, please do drop us a line or give us a call. We'll do everything we can to help. And thank you for watching.